way to go celebrate my friend's birthday. We're gonna go to a castle in Napa Valley, California, so I'm super excited. So I just got to my friend's place, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick her up. Oh my god. We made it to the castle in Napa Valley. So pretty. Super excited. So we're getting a bunch of different wines to taste and breads to have, like the browns, and we have the bar. We have this bar area. We are about to wine taste right now. I'm so excited.
Here is the 2022. As I was talking about the years and the rain and the drought and everything, this is a very flavorful.
Happy Friday. So I am currently at the Capitola Beach right now. I'm just gonna get some sunshine. It's freezing! It's so cloudy. It is our first night in the new apartment, and I still have a bunch of things to get from California because I'm not going to be moving here till the end of June. I have my mangoes because that is a must. He's already tired.
I'm ready for bed.
Cheers.
Kanpai.
Avocado toast for you. My apartment is so empty right now. I'm so sad. This is where I'm going to be sleeping for the next couple of days before I move to Washington.
As I sit here and reflect back living in California, it taught me everything. How to be independent and to surround myself with people that care about me. Most importantly, I truly learned how to love myself. I've always loved the ocean. It's a place that makes me feel safe and warm. So cheers to keep finding ourselves and to trusting the process. I love every memory that I made here and the people that I met and the person that I've become. I'm excited to see what this next chapter holds.